All right, so I was making a video, but I didn't want it to be too long, so I had to delete it. But basically, long story short, this is by far the best camera. I've tested many dash cams. We're talking about the OWL, the Van Trues, the Nexars, Transcend, so many dash cams I've tested out. And my ultimate decision is this one right here. You want a camera in 2021 as of, at least it's September 2021. This is it right here. I could get into it again. Long story short, to me, in my opinion, this is the best picture quality. It uses the 5 gigahertz. You could get the video directly through Wi-Fi, fast connection, full quality onto your phone when you need it, right there when you record it. It has the best picture quality. The audio is really good. It's 1440p, 60 frames per second, which is, to me, I like it better than 4K 30 frames. The inside and rear camera is 1080p, 30 frames per second. But the most important is the 1440p front outside camera at 60 frames per second. You press the record button, you can record in 1, 3, 5 minute intervals. Again, the software is subject, you go with it, subject to change. There's a lot of good things about this camera. But long story short, is the best one. If you typed in what's the best camera in 2021, hopefully this video pops up, because this is it right here. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to these cameras on Amazon if you want to buy it. I got it on sale, I lucked out, but normal price is $269. There might be a promo where it's like $25 off, $30 off, depending. You might have a Labor Day sale. They might have sales here and there, but this is by far the best camera, in my opinion. Again, you can look at it right now. It's like, it tells you right there. It's what it comes with. But again, the best camera. The quality, the nighttime video is decent. It's just all around the best, in my opinion. Thanks for watching.